As the world faces increasing uncertainties and social changes, manufacturing companies understand the need to transform. Mitsubishi Electric utilizes digital technology to connect the entire manufacturing lifecycle, with the aim of optimal and flexible manufacturing to address uncertainty. In the future, manufacturing must utilize the latest technologies in software, AI, and networks to realize digital manufacturing, connecting all stages of the manufacturing lifecycle, from planning to manufacturing to recycling. Using digital manufacturing concepts, manufacturers can simulate demand fluctuations, production capacity, as well as equipment and process design. This enables the use of efficient manufacturing processes and the coordination of operators, resulting in a factory that can respond flexibly and quickly without interruption. Moreover, through collaboration with robots, the use of the cloud, AI, and 5G, it is possible to implement labor-saving measures, full automation, and remote monitoring regardless of location, thereby addressing issues like labor shortages and the need for diverse working styles. It is also possible to give optimal maintenance instructions based on the simulation and detection of production problems. Energy consumption and CO2 emissions for all manufacturing processes can be centrally managed, helping to achieve carbon-neutral goals. The optimization of the entire manufacturing lifecycle, from design to maintenance, can be achieved by utilizing the synergies between on-site services that leverage shop floor know-how, core components such as control equipment, and digital technologies like our 3D simulator and visualization tools. Mitsubishi Electric has built an ecosystem of eFactory Alliance partners who together co-create digital manufacturing solutions.